pop this windshield out of this car and try to get some of the copper out of it. We're getting ready to scrap this one. So that's what we do here. I'll show you a little more here. I'm going to adjust my forks. I'll show you a little better view of what I'm going to do. I'll go down there and grab that, cut all that loose after I pull it on up again or hook a strap around it. But y'all can see how much copper comes out of them. That's just wasted copper. Going to be the waste. Never used again. Here's a little bit of copper we got out of it. We done cut most of it out under the hood the other night. Trying to get the phone to do what I want it to. Not wanting to work. But right there's the copper we got out of it. Like I said, we cut most of what was under the hood out already. Some of that will run through the copper thing, and some of it will, well, you're not allowed to burn it, but we'll get it clean. But we're gonna pop the radiators out if we can, and go grab a nut and put on top of her. Flip this thing up here real quick. Make sure we didn't miss no wires. We can get under it. And we done got the fuel tank off, converters off, but lay them sticks down right there. Maybe that'll help it slide up the hill. What my intentions is put an uddin on top of it, and see what I've done. Got it all started crushing in the roof there. I think you can see that. Yeah, got the windows knocked out. I'm gonna leave them two for James maybe, but yeah, them radiators wouldn't come out easy enough, so I said heck with it. We'll worry about that later. But we'll show you once we get an uddin on top of her and crush her in a little bit. I'll bring my tripod down. Just got another one in here, right here behind me. Same thing, Ford Taurus. It's a wagon. They said it didn't have no converters on it, but it definitely has one on it, so we're going to grab it off real quick. And got to use the torches because I had to cut it off that and over there. You can see what I've done to this one so far, but show you what this looks like once we get this converter and stuff off and get them prepared to take in. This thing in low gear here, if I can maneuver right up. Oh, look at that. That converter is right down in there behind that motor. I'll show it to you guys when I get this thing flipped over. That converter is right up in there. You can see it. This thing was toast. This is a good car. It's been under the floodwater 4 or 5 times. I'm losing water, so it means I'm losing weight. I'm gonna get this yanked apart and I'll be right back. Told you guys last night there, and we was loading them other ones up, but I get some video footage of it. Really didn't get any video footage of me getting them loaded, but we got them on the truck. So if I can flip y'all around here, we're getting ready to take them into the scrap yard here and get rid of them. I'll post a picture up here of them on the truck here with the video. So yeah, there it is. We're getting ready to get them unloaded. And just like that, we got paid $5,920 pounds. 5,920 pounds. A little over 21,000 pounds on the truck. $562. Not bad. Traded some parts for the wagon car, the first one that come off, and the second one that was on the bottom, we give $100 for it. And we bought 2 of them for $100 a piece. So, you know, by the time you buy fuel and stuff, I made a little bit of money, but I bought 2 of them other ones for $100 a piece, and that's where I come out on it, because I sold that one for a derby car. Got $6 1/4 for it, and that's me deliver it. So pretty good day. So you guys like it, like the junkyard thing, like it, subscribe, and we'll show you some videos. Thank you guys for watching.